Weird behavior with casting int. I am using Python 3.6.3 and I encounter a weird behavior from int and a digit with the following code. I understand the bug and I know that I can skip the error with try catch. My question is that if a digit return true, then the char \string should be cast without error, or a digit should return false. Otherwise said int and a digit should be coherent.
This is exactly as documented. str.isDigit return true if all characters in the string are digits and there is at least one character, false otherwise. Digits include decimal characters and digits that need special handling, such as the compatibility superscript digits. This covers digits which cannot be used to form numbers in base 10, like the Kharosthi numbers. Formally, a digit is a character that has the property value numeric_type equals digit or numeric_type equals decimal.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.